Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can get solution from website ads while you're browsing the internet. So let's get started. At first let's go to a random website. I have opened this is a newspaper website, and see at beginning there is a ad. Okay, I'm clicking on cross, there is ad, and also there is another ad, and at the footer section there is also ad. Those ads are from Google ads. Okay, but this website is not much full of ads, but there are some websites I cannot specify. They're full of ads, and you're suffering from browsing the website. So let's go to solution. Just simply search AdBlocker origin. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, and it will redirect you to Google Chrome extension. And see, still now I was using this extension AdBlocker origin, but this extension may no longer be support because it doesn't follow the best. Okay, it does not follow the Google rules or something. So currently I'm using this one, AdBlock. Okay, this is also good, 4.5 rating, 28 9.6k rating. Okay, let's add this to our Google ad extension. Now it will download, so wait a moment. 57 megabytes, and then we will visit this website again, this newspaper website, and we will check if that works or not. You can find also other ad blocker extensions. It's not mandatory that you will must need to use this extension. Okay, our download is almost done. Now it will automatically add. Okay, welcome. Let's close this tab and check. Yes, this is here. Let's pin this and go to the newspaper website again. Okay, so click here and see, there is no pop-up ad we have faced at first time while there was no ad blocker, and you can see 27 ads are blocked, 30 in total, and no ads at footer section. So this is the benefit of a ad blocker. I hope this video will help you a little bit. Thanks for watching.